Hello everyone. In our last class, we had already learned about what is organization structure as well as what is the span of management. So now, in today's class, we will discuss about what are the types of organization structure. Yeah, my dear friends, write it down. Types of organizational structure. Types of organizational structure. Generally, my friends, organizational structure is divided into two parts. That is functional structure as well as other is named as divisional structure. Divisional structure. These both are generally different structures followed by the organization in each and every company, as well as it tells about these both kind of structures are dealing or is applicable to each and every organization also. Functional structure generally deals with single line of product, single line of product, or you can say that single product. Divisional structure generally deals with and followed by those companies who is having multiple or multi products, who is producing or instead of producing I must write dealing, because there are some companies they are manufacturing, they are trading, they are retailing, so we are deal with dealing word, not of producing. So in case of different divisional structure, the companies who deals with multiple products, clear? If you are dealing with a single product, then you must be use functional structure as well as, but if you are using the multiple products, then my dear friends, you will use divisional structure, clear? As well as you need to know about that functional structure is generally based on or distributed their work on the basis of functions. Yeah, but divisional structure will be based or will be set the resources or will distribute the resources on the basis of particular product or on the basis of priority of product, on the basis of priority of product. This is the basic difference we need to know about what is the functional structure and what is the divisional structure. Clear, my friends? Now we need to learn about what does that mean, what is the different meaning, how it will be suitable to each and every organization, what is the suitability of each and every structure, what are the advantages and disadvantages of each and every structure. As in, we need to learn about each and every topic, each and every detailed topic. This is just the information or this is just the simple thing that you need to learn about in this topic, type of organizational structure. As in, you need to learn about what do you mean by functional structure, what do you mean by divisional structure, what do you mean by advantages of functional structure, what do you mean by disadvantages of advantages or disadvantages of functional structure. what do you mean by advantages or disadvantages or weakness or limitations or strengths of divisional structure, as well as where it can be suitable for you. So in exams we can get multiple questions from this topic only. So this is very important topic. So in our next class we will discuss about functional structure in detail. Okay, thank you.